Good afternoon, children. Open your studio, page number 61. So, in this page number 61, you are having 10.14 activity, children. Children, up to now, you will know that seasons. Okay. And rainy day, windy day, cloudy day. You will know that, no? So, here in these pictures, you have to identify the peaks and you have to underline. Okay. See, here you have to identify the weathers and from circle the letters. And draw lines to match each weather word with the item you usually associate it with. Fill in the missing letters and complete the names of the items, children. Here see, for example, first we have to underline weathers. Okay, rainy and cloudy and windy, sunny. So these are the weathers we are underlined here. And first we have to fill these missing letters. What is this, children? These are the boots. So B-O-O-T-S, boots. And what is this? Sweater. S-W-E-A-T-E-R, sweater. And next one, what is this, children? Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-E, umbrella. And next, see, what is this, children? Shirt. S-H-I-R-T. Next, what is this, children? Cap. And see, what is this? Scarf. S-C-A-R-F, scarf. Okay. So, now we are completed here missing letters and we are underlined weathers. So, now we have to match. In rainy season, what we are using, children? Umbrella we are using. So, you have to match this umbrella and we are using boots. Yes, children? So, in rainy season, we are using this. And next, in sunny day. In sunny day, we are using cotton clothes, no? See, shorts and cap we are using. And next, windy day. If it is cool wind, we are using sweater, no, children? Sweaters and scarf. Yes? So, like this you have to match, children. So, every weather they are having some special conditions. If you are like that special conditions, you can feel that every weather it is beautiful. Okay, so if you are enjoy that weather, for example rainy season we are enjoying a lot, and if you are wearing proper dresses in that season, and if you are taking such a conditions on that season weathers, we will happy on that weather conditions. Yes, children? Now open page number 62. Children, we are completed our lesson, children. And here see project time 10E activity. Describe the different types of weather using your sense organs. So if you are using your sense organs, you will know the different types of weathers. How? For example, ice. We are using ice. We can know that and we can identify that weather conditions. And if you are listen that sounds of weather, for example rain, we are listen the sounds of rain. So we are using here sense organ ear. Like that you have to describe, children, 10E activity in companion. So today we have completed our 10th lesson. So we have to complete here mind map. Okay. So first of all you know that air has some properties. And here air has color, children? No. So air has no color. And air has smell? No. It has no smell. And it don't have any taste. It has no taste. We can see directly air, children? No. We cannot see. But we can feel air. So it can be felt. And air conditions we can determine that weather conditions, ma. Okay, it's depending upon the air. We can classify here weather conditions, 4 weather conditions. What is it, children? You know already. Rainy day, R-A-I-N-Y, rainy, D-A-Y, day. Sunny day and windy day and cloudy day. Okay, children. So, these are our lesson topics. Already we are discussed. So, today we are completed this lesson, children. Now we have to complete here question time, page number 63. Fill in the blanks. Air does not have smell or a taste and color also. Okay. Taste and color. And on a sunny day, the air feels. How we can feel the air sunny day, children? We can feel warm. Yes? So hot, no? So write warm. Next. On a cool windy day, the air feels. How can we feel? Cool. Okay. Next. True or false, children? Air is pink in color. Air is in pink in color, children? No. Air has no color. So, this is false. Air does not have smell or taste. Yes, this is true. Weather remains the same in all places. In every places, the weather conditions will be same? No. So, false. On a cloudy day, the clouds block the sunlight. Yes, clouds they can close the sun, no? So this is true. Okay, children. So today I have to complete this question time, children. And tomorrow I will describe and I will explain remaining question answers, children. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day.